Taxations can be categorized into two types, direct taxes and indirect taxes. In this video, we will try to understand direct taxes in little detail. Well, as the name suggests, direct taxes are levied on person's income and property directly. Some examples of direct taxes are personal income tax, wealth tax, property tax, and so on and so forth. Understand, in direct tax system, the tax burden is borne by the person on which tax is applied. He cannot transfer its tax burden to another person. Hence, impact and incidence of direct tax is directly on the person who is paying the tax. I'll explain this with an example. Let's say my income is 40 lakhs rupees per annum and I pay a tax of around 8 lakh rupees. So this tax amount I cannot transfer to somebody else. This tax amount on my income has to be paid by me. So this impact and incidence of tax has to be bared by me only. I cannot transfer it to somebody else. In simple word, direct taxes are applied on person's income and property in the form of personal income tax, wealth tax, property tax. In case of direct taxation, the tax burden has to be borne by a person on which the tax is levied. Naturally, he cannot transfer the tax burden to some other person. The impact and incidence of direct tax is directly on the person who is liable for that task. Direct taxes can be further categorized into three areas: proportionate tax system, progressive tax system, and regressive tax system. In proportionate tax system, there is a fixed and same constant rate of taxation on all the people. So let's say in proportionate taxation system, what happens? There is a fixed constant rate for everyone, which means a person with 40 lakhs also pay a fixed rate. Let's say a rate of taxation will be 10%. So a person who is earning 20 lakhs of income will also pay the tax at 10%. A person who is earning 5 lakhs will also pay the tax at 10%. A person who is earning 2 crore rupees will also pay the tax at 10%. So in proportionate taxation system, rate of taxation is fixed for all income groups. Contrary to this, there is a progressive taxation system. In progressive taxation system, what happens? As the person's income is increasing, the rate of taxation also increases with the increase in the income. I'll explain this with an example. Let's say a person who is earning 5 lakhs, let's say is exempted from tax. So he's paying 0% of tax. A person whose earning is between 5 lakhs to 10 lakhs, he pays 10% of tax on income between 5 lakhs to 10 lakhs. A person who is earning between 10 lakhs to 20 lakhs, he'll pay 20%. Similarly, as his income goes up, the rate of taxation also increases. You should know that in India, we use progressive taxation system. So, in progressive taxation system, what happens? As the income of a person increases, the rate of taxation also increases. Exactly opposite to this is regressive taxation system. In regressive taxation system, as the person's income increases, the rate of taxation decreases. For income till 5 lakhs as 20%, income between 5 to 10 as 15%, and income over 10 to 20 lakhs, he should pay the tax at 10% for that income. So in regression tax system, as the income increases, the rate of taxation decreases at different stages.